a long metal rod of length L. Here a metal rod of length L. This is the length of a rod. Completes the circuit as shown. The area of circuit is perpendicular to magnetic field B. Here magnetic field B is acting perpendicular to the plane of circuit and directed inward. Now the total resistance of circuit is R. Then the force needed to move the rod in a direction as shown in figure with constant speed V. With constant speed V. So we want to calculate what is the amount of force that must be applied to this rod so that it can be moved with a constant speed V. So as far as EMF induced across the rod is concerned, what is the induced EMF? EMF induced in the wire or in the rod. Induced EMF in the rod or EMF induced in the rod of length L. What is the EMF induced across the two ends of rod? EMF induced across the two ends of rod is E equal to BLV. E equal to what? BLV. EMF here L is the length of rod, say capital L. BLV. Now the current induced in the rod. Current induced in the rod. Current induced in the rod is equal to current I is equal to E divided by R. Current I is equal to what? E divided by R. It means it is BLV divided by R. BLV divided by R. This is equation number 2. Now force acting on a rod due to magnetic field. Force acting on a rod, because we want to move the rod with constant speed V. So force acting on a rod to move it with constant speed, to move it with constant speed V, with constant speed V. What is that amount of force? That amount of force F is equal to IBL. Force F is equal to IBL. Actually it is IBL sine of theta, but the angle between magnetic field B and length is 90 and sine 90 is 1. So force acting on, or the force that must be applied on the rod of length L so as to move it with constant speed V is F is equal to IBL. F is equal to what? IBL. Now let us put the value of current I. So IBL. So put the value of current I. What is value of current I? It is BLV divided by R into BL. So that becomes equal to B square L square V divided by R. B square L square V divided by R. So out of 4 options, the force that must be needed to apply on a rod to move it with a constant speed V is B square L square V divided by R. So A is the correct option for this question.